So, for today's video we're doing Kimchi La Mian. It's this spicy, creamy, savory noodle dish that you can cook in under 20 minutes. So for the prep, you want to finely mince your garlic and finely chop your kimchi. And the older the kimchi, the better. But for store-bought kimchi, I tend to leave my kimchi in a cool, dark place for about a week before I put it in the fridge, and that allows it to build up more character and more funk and more flavor. But before you chop your kimchi, be sure to reserve all that extra kimchi juice for later. And for the chicken, I tend to cut it into slivers, but you can chop it into cubes, you can mince it, you can do it however you like. And that's it, prep done. Super easy. Right, and next you're gonna saute your kimchi and garlic over a medium flame for a couple of minutes, or until the kimchi begins to darken and begin to caramelize. And once you hit that point, you want to add in a tablespoon of gochujang and then 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter's melted and the gochujang is incorporated, you can add your chicken in, bit of salt, bit of pepper, and stir fry that for a few minutes. And once that's done, you can add in 1 cup of chicken stock and the remaining kimchi juice from earlier, and let that reduce. Meanwhile, over a rolling boil, you want to drop your lamian in and cook that for 7 minutes. And once that's done, you can transfer the noodles directly into the stir-fry mixture and combine. Plate up, and voila! Kimchi La Mian. I tend to finish mine with a bit of spring onion and sesame oil, but you could easily get away with finishing with bonito flakes, fried onion, even an egg. And what you have left is this super creamy, really nice, spicy noodle dish that takes little to no time to make.
This is a good one.
Cool, so that was Kimchi La Mian, and if you enjoyed that video, be sure to check the description for the recipe below, and thanks for watching.